It's so weird to clean my backpack because I'm like, I'm a student. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my room and possibly other rooms. I just really want to like deep clean my room, like really get into my closet, sort out clothes, do a little closet clean out, get rid of some things that I haven't been wearing. I feel like I've cleaned my room in the past, but I really want to organize my room. That's our plan for today. I'm currently still in my robe because I'm filming this video where my Instagram followers pick out my outfits, and I'm going to wait like 20 minutes for the poll results to come in so then I can change into my clothes. But I think I'm gonna get a little head start on cleaning my room and just get some basis clutter off. So let's hop right into it. While I clean my room, I'm gonna listen to a Christian podcast because I just feel like I need to reconnect with my faith. Recently that's been really hard for me. I have so much time in my day, but I don't want to devote it to, you know, growing my faith. So I'm gonna try to really like implant some words in my head this morning. I'm gonna go listen to Michael Todd. He is a great pastor. I highly recommend. On the channel's like Transformation Church. Desk and then emptied my laundry and emptied my recycling and trash bin, and everything looks really neat on this side. My closet is definitely what's going to take the most time. I'm going to literally try to clear everything out. I am honestly really insecure about my closet. It's definitely my least favorite part of my room. I don't have anything like nice like dressers in it. It's really, I'm so scared to show you guys. I just have a ton of these bins and they're like different colors. I'd be like insecure and I don't even know what this is. Y'all, I'm so insecure about my closet. We gotta fix it. Okay, the heater is on, which is super annoying, and I don't want to be yelling this whole video, so I'm gonna clean what's on my bed first and then we're gonna start talking. It's so weird to clean my backpack because I'm like, I'm a student. I think I'm just gonna put my backpack in my closet because I have a feeling I won't be seeing it in a few months. This right over here is our first box that we're gonna be going through. I feel like I go through my clothes pretty often, so I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of that many stuff. Definitely keeping this. It's a camp shirt. I want to keep this because I got it from Greece, but I honestly like never wear it, and I already have a dress from Greece, so I can wear that to remember the trip. So I'm going to be getting rid of this one. Keeping it such a basic, I can wear it all the time. Okay, I'm not going to talk through everything, but when I don't want something or like a piece really sticks out to me, I'll just talk. So I bought this from AC Moore because they were like closing down in my area, and it was already $5, but I never reach for it because it just doesn't fit very flattering. See, I don't want to get rid of this like floral shirt from Brandy, but I never reach for it. Wow, I'm actually getting rid of a lot. I'm freaking surprised. I think all the clothes I'm keeping actually can fit in this bin. I think I kept like 50-50. I'm gonna try to fold my clothes in a good way because I want them to all be organized, because I have a lot of trouble with like getting my clothes back in the bin and making it neat and organized. I went from 2 huge baskets to like a half of a basket, and I think it's because I folded it like this, but that's crazy, guys. I heard that Marie Kondo, she is such a cleaning queen. She says don't keep anything that doesn't bring you joy, and I've seen these items and I haven't worn them. I can tell that I should get rid of them because they haven't been in my laundry bin for a while, and all these clothes are in my laundry bin pretty often. So my method for my socks was just to keep the ones that actually fit nice and the ones that I reach for pretty pretty often. I have a ton of like fuzzy socks that have gotten all dry. It's really weird, but I obviously can't like donate socks, so I'm gonna have to find some way to dispose of them. I just cleared out my sock and underwear drawer, and now I'm moving on to like my main pants. But these are my sweatpants that I got from basketball. Literally wear them all the time. White jeans, blue jeans. I literally love American Eagle jeans. They are so good, and especially their skinny jeans. This is like my sports drawer. I have sports shorts, like jerseys that I wear. I just like to keep it in a separate box. There's a lot of outdated jerseys in here that I'll definitely be getting rid of. Like these are some soccer shorts, and I am no longer playing soccer, so we don't need these anymore. Like I no longer play for this club basketball team. Oh, this is my soccer jersey. I kind of miss soccer.
Go on my link, coke in the sink, topping that work like a Roddy, serving a new Maserati, in a brand new Maserati. That's a whole lot of new money.
So one of the funnest parts has come into this video where we can sort out bathing suits.
Session and hiding from 12, moving the swells and them bills, serving the raws to Yale, beating that China like Kuta Kinte, whipping it, fishing for a king, drinking no syrup, I'm rolling them hands, make myself a boss in the blue. Either way you put it, nigga, I'm good. Triple salute, niggas straight out there, make a soda water splash on scales.
Ew, guys, I kept my like old hair. This is like years old. I don't know why I was so attached to my hair.
My brothers, one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck.
So now I'm gonna bring you guys into my hanger area and just like the core of my closet. So this huge yellow bag is actually a bag of just all the clothes that I'm selling right now. I'm trying to sell this dress, but I really don't think it's gonna sell. I sometimes list things and I'm just like, it's probably not gonna sell, and this is definitely not gonna sell, so I think I'm gonna take it off and just donate it. You know what, I don't think any of this is gonna sell, if I'm being completely honest. But I'm gonna keep the Lululemon tank tops on my Depop. If you're interested in buying some Lululemon tank tops, definitely check out my Depop. This is just a beach bag. It literally says like mermaid hair don't care. It's a little bit of a cringy saying, but I'm keeping it because I bring it to the beach a lot. I heard the best way to store bags is put bags in bigger bags. So I'm gonna be putting all my bags in this big beach bag. Another Lululemon bag, okay. If you're a close friend of mine and you'd like one of these white ones, just let me know because I have 2 of them. And this is like an angel top. This used to be like so trendy. Yeah, I never really got the chance to wear it, but it's not really my style anymore. So it's crazy how style has like changed from this year to last year. Especially for me, I was like super into that like e-girl like weird style, and now I just really like the basic. Down here I have like my math textbook. I don't think I'm ever gonna be using this again this school year, let's be honest. So I'm gonna put this away.
Number after the beep. We will return your call.
In New York, I'm in there. I did in my socks, running from a up, and I shoot that up. And I'm on the block, and I'm on the block. In New York, I'm in there. I did in my socks, I did in my socks, sell it every rock. In New York, I'm in there. I did in my socks, use this every rock. Running from the cop, shooting at the up.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Shooting at the up.
Y'all, I have to get some water because I have been cleaning for a good at least an hour and a half, and I have made so much progress on my closet. Like, I'm so proud of how much space I feel like I made, and I just got rid of a lot of things that I just wasn't using. I love cleaning my room, and I've never really deep cleaned my closet like this before, so I'm so happy to finally be doing it. Okay, let's finish cleaning. I have like a huge pile of clothes on my floor right now. I'm gonna have to grab a few trash bags, and I can't go to the thrift store at the moment, so I'm gonna have some trash bags lying around for a while.
Woke up at 11 o'clock.
I used to be a cheerleader. I'm gonna keep all my bows because I just feel like there's some type of sentimental meaning to them. And like I got this at my first cheer competition. This is like one of my favorite bows that I have.
Ain't got no job, what the hell?
I used to be so into Ever After High.
Should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Why does she look like a stripper? I don't know if this is creepy, like me showing you guys these dolls.
What the deal? How you feel? Not important.
I only found like 3 things that I actually have a connection with, which I'm kind of proud of myself for. So now I think it's time to address this little mess over here. I have this huge bad habit of just like putting random stuff in this corner when I don't know where to put it. I have a ton of like Christmas pillows here, so we're gonna sort through this.
I've been over dramatic, stuck on a habit, lying near. Now she keep on asking why you never happy, baby.
Hey y'all, so my closet is like beyond clean right now and it just looks so empty. There are these jeans that were just like hidden in my closet. I just could not see them. And they're like Levi's, like mid-rise just jeans with no rips. I'm leaning on getting rid of them, but I want to try them on first because I haven't worn these in like a year and a half, so I might still like them. So I know I forgot to show you guys what these look like on, but they're like mid-rise. It's really awkward. It looks like a mom jean, but like not mom jeans, like a mom jean, if you know what I mean. I tried to put the little plant thing on my wall with sticky tack and it did not work. If you guys hear Trump in the background, I'm sorry, my parents are listening to the news. I'm trying to talk loud enough so you guys can't hear it. This is my little configuration. It definitely works better than sticky tack. And my mom grabbed another hook over here for me, so I'm going to hang this a little bit below. I'm just super excited about this design. I think it's so aesthetically pleasing. Hey y'all, I know I said I'd set up this little nightstand from IKEA, but it's just kind of like light, and like if I want to do something that involves like nails and stuff, I'm a prob, need my dad, so I'm gonna put this underneath my bed. I'm gonna get to it sometime during this break.
What are you putting here?
Guys, I literally have so many products, it's bad. This smells so bad, guys. I cannot. I need to do is just reorganize a few things in my bed, and then I can show you guys the final results. I literally spent all day on this and I'm so happy it's done.
We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad.
thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. I love watching cleaning videos and I'd love to make more. I am so amazed of how much I really cleaned. This is like the most I've deep cleaned my room. Like I really got rid of stuff and wasn't afraid to get rid of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and follow me on my Instagram. That's all I have to say, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous.